Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my deep conditioning routine or hair mask routine. So a lot of you guys asked me questions about what is my deep conditioning routine and like what hair masks I use on my hair and how often to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that I do, and I'll also be sharing how to become a smart shopper and earn free cashback using Cashkaro. So Cashkaro is an Indian brand and is India's biggest cashback website, and they give you real cash for shopping online. You can shop from any category. It can be fashion, beauty, kitchen items, electronics, even food deliveries. So they have 1500 plus website on their site from which you can shop from and get cashback. You can shop from Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Mamaearth. There are various different sites, and this cash is real, you guys. You can transfer this cash to your bank account, and I'm sure you do a lot of online shopping. This is a really great trick, and I'll be telling you more about it later in the video. So now without further ado, let's get started with the deep conditioning routine. Today's comment shout out goes to Mugdha. Thank you so much for the comment. I feel I should keep my hair on one side. I don't know, I'm enjoying that more. Does this look better? Let me know. Okay, so before I shampoo my hair, as you all know, I apply oil the night before I wash my hair, and I massage my scalp really well. If you want to watch my hair oiling routine, I'll link it above in the card. So sometimes if my scalp feels really itchy, I like to comb my hair. Now I don't always do this. I do this only when my scalp feels itchy and I want something to scratch. So I use a wide tooth comb and I start detangling my hair slowly first. To reduce the damage, start combing from the ends and work your way upwards. Once you're done detangling the whole hair, brush through entire hair from scalp to the ends for stimulating the blood flow. It will also distribute the oils from your scalp. It can be the oil which you have applied or your natural oils if you haven't applied any oil. It will distribute that oil from the scalp through the entire hair, so that's even better. You can do this few minutes before you wash your hair. Also, if you don't like detangling during shower on wet hair, I know a lot of people don't like that and they ask if it's okay to comb on dry hair. You can definitely do this. It's fine if you do it on dry hair if you're going to be washing it afterwards, and the detangling gets much easier if you have applied some kind of product in your hair. Like I apply oil, right? So detangling gets much easier. Next step is to shampoo. I shampoo my hair as usual using my shampoo brush. The shampoo brush is really great. It helps to stimulate the scalp again. Now on to the main masking part. The mask I'm going to be using today is the Mamaearth Argan hair mask. If you have watched my other videos, you would know how much I love this mask. I use it randomly or alternatively, just like a conditioner after I shampoo my hair. I can even use this mask on every wash day because I wash my hair just once a week, so this can work as well. And there are different types of masks. Not all masks are supposed to be applied on your scalp. So those masks are mostly pre-shampoo, so you apply it on the scalp and then you shampoo your hair. This mask is not like that. This you're supposed to apply after shampoo. So I really prefer such masks because I can just use them as a conditioner and I won't have to wash my hair again. It becomes really fast. And actually this mask says that you're supposed to shampoo your hair and then apply the mask and then again wash it off using shampoo, but I don't wash it off using shampoo because my hair is curly and dry. I really don't need to do that. If you have very silky smooth hair and if this mask is weighing your hair down and if it's too thick and heavy for you, then you can wash it off with a shampoo, but I really don't need to do that. And this mask has worked amazing for me. It works differently for each person because there are a lot of mixed reviews about it, but what I feel is if you keep it for more than 15 minutes, it works the best. If I keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, it doesn't work that great. So even this says that you should keep it for 15 to 25 minutes. See, we should always follow the label because they know how to make the product work the best. That's why they write it on there. And I feel this mask has a perfect protein moisture balance, at least for me. So if you're looking for a regular deep conditioning mask, you can go for this. But if you're looking for a protein based mask, if you have high porosity hair or chemically treated hair or damaged hair, you definitely need more of protein. So you can go for the Plum hair mask. I've gone through a full bottle of that. So that's great if you need protein, but if you don't need as much protein, if you just want a great balance, this Mamaearth works great for me. Now I'll share with you why and how you can use Cashkaro to get cash back, and after that I'll show you how I apply this mask. So you can buy these masks which I'm showing you and get extra cash back using Cashkaro. Karo. You'll also get rupees 50 as rewards on your first transaction on Amazon using this Cash Karo site, and up to 4.5% rewards on all categories. So if you're still not convinced why you should use Cash Karo, and if you're wondering what is this Cash Karo thing she's talking about, let me just explain it to you. You get real cash. So whatever cashback you earn from shopping online, you can transfer it to your bank accounts or Amazon voucher. The choice is yours. And this cashback is applicable even after applying existing discounts, any bank offers you have, or any coupon code. So after having all the possible discounts, on top of that you still get cashback. And there are 1500 plus websites which you can shop from, order food online, buy anything you want from these sites and get cashback. That's so great. So if you want to use Cash Karo, just click on the first link in the description box below and then sign up on Cash Karo and make your account, and then search for Amazon or any site which you want to shop from, and then click on the orange button and visit retailer. So this will redirect you to the actual site from which you can shop normally. So just add to cart and place order like you normally do. Then go to your profile and click on my earnings. So all your cashbacks and earnings will be reflected here, and it will get confirmed after a few days if you don't cancel or return your order. And once your balance reaches 250 rupees, you can transfer it to your bank account or Amazon voucher. Isn't that so simple? Now let me show you how I use the mask. So after shampooing, when my hair is dripping wet, I like to remove little water from it, the excess water, so that my hair is not dripping wet but is soaking wet. Make sure your hair is soaking wet and not damp, because I feel this mask works the best on soaking wet hair instead of damp hair. So I divide my hair into two sections and apply a lot of mask. Trust me, you don't need to apply so much of it. It depends on how dry your hair is and what works for you. I like to use a lot of product like conditioner, mask. You know me, I like to use a lot of quantity, but you don't need to apply that much. Just use whatever works for you. And I rake this product through my hair and also alternatively twist my hair so that the product is distributed evenly. This mask gives amazing slip. If you feel your hair is getting dry, just add little water to make it slippery again, because if you apply this mask on damp or dry hair, it might not work that great. At least for me it works the best when I apply it on soaking wet hair. And I repeat the same steps on the other side. Please make sure your hair is soaking wet. Don't let your hair get dry while you're applying the product, because I have noticed if you apply it on damp hair, it doesn't give you its potential benefit, and I feel this might be the reason it's not working for a lot of people. So if you have already bought this mask and if it's not working for you, just try this method, and also keep it more than 15 or even more than 20 for the best results. And in the end, I twist my entire hair and keep it on top like a bun. I would usually put a shower cap after this step, but I don't have it with me currently. You can also use steam at this point. You can use steam once in a while. You don't have to do it every single time. You can, but I'm really lazy. So if you're lazy like me, you can do it like once in a month or once in 2 months. And I keep my hair like that until I finish the rest of the bath, and then I use a comb. Now I could have used the comb right after applying the product, but what I've noticed is when I comb, a lot of product just falls off and it gets wasted, and I feel I can use my hands to distribute it evenly, and even the product is so slippery that it gets distributed evenly on my hair. I like to use a comb because the feeling is really nice, like it glides on so smoothly, and it makes sure my hair doesn't have any tangles left, and it will also make the product touch each and every hair strand. And after combing my hair, I wash it off. If you don't mind a little bit of product getting wasted, you can comb it even before that if you're having problems with distributing the product. Or what you can do is apply a little bit product first and then comb it so that it's slippery, and then apply more product so that your hair has some kind of product, because after combing it, a lot of product just falls off or gets stuck to the comb and your hair feels dry again. And after combing it, I just wash it off. If you have very dry hair, you can even leave a little bit in your hair. You don't have to leave a lot of it in your hair because it can weigh your hair down. So you can leave a little bit if you have very dry hair. So that was my deep conditioning / hair mask routine, and I would highly recommend you guys to shop through Cash Karo if you're buying from any site, because they are literally giving you free money for shopping online. Why would you not want that? You can see for yourself. You can just make one transaction, and please use the link in the description box below. If you sign up using that link, you'll also get 25 rupees extra on your purchase. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.